myself. Super Bowl Sunday, February 2026. As usual, that fucking partying with the partner and twigs. As usual, again. Life gets too long. I'm so glad for it. Duck down here. I know where I'm at. Nothing to look forward to. I live for. And women out here get through. Fucking. Oh yeah, guys. We niggas that don't want the Super Bowl. Saturday. Tonight. Staying tonight. Yeah. So in the morning, I reckon. To get up in the morning, be walking. I gotta walk all the way back to town tomorrow. It's nothing from that store. I'll sit in the house till you're fucking. Hey, Super Bowl, fuck for the night, bro. Same old. The same thing, man. I'm in a poor to, man. I'm in a poor country like this for real, man. Living out here for real. These niggas, these gorillas, man, for real, man. There's gorillas over here for real. Twigs County. Won the Super Bowl for real, bro. Won the Super Bowl for real, man. That night won the game going on. When it's over that night. Yeah, I told you, bro. Alright. Just cut it off right now. Talk to y'all later, man. Got the ring on my finger. See my wife in. My wife ain't in here with me, though. I don't know where she at. Super Bowl, for real. I am for real, nigga.